So for my second loco that I'm keep building, we have a NuCast Q6. I've already made a start with the boiler and the running plate, foot plate. I'm building this and soldering it together. So there's a rear drag beam, it's called, from there. I've got the boiler soldered together and the boiler attached to the foot plate, running plate. There was a lot of burrs and stuff on top of the boiler, so I've had to do a lot of filing and sanding there. Other than that, it actually went together quite well. So you can see we've got the basics of a locomotive there. Plenty of other white metal parts to go with it. I am actually going to build this, although it is a Q6. When I mentioned it to a few people, they all went, more like a Q5, not really good Q6, you know, there was all sorts of... So, I already have a Hornby Q6. So I thought, with this one, I'll turn it into a Q5. I've got, and I've sourced a safety valve trumpet, which will fit there. Other than that, I can use the Q6 parts mainly. I'll get Q5 wheels, so I'll get it resprayed and painted when I do paint it as a Q5. Probably in Northeastern Railway green, because originally when the Q5s were first built, they came out in the same express green as their passenger locomotives. It was only after 1904, I think, they reverted to, or they started painting the industrial goods locomotives in black lined red. So, although black line red would look good on this, I think I might go for green. Okay, so this is where we're starting from, a load of parts. Like I say, I've joined the two out of the boiler together, put it on the foot plate, and we'll keep building.